Hey, it's Maya Morris.
This is Unstoppable for representing.
To go UK's Black Rose.
Them should have represented.
You're locked into Flames Radio with DJ Rick, the Upnlive show. Keep it locked in, locked on.
Right now, this is your boy DJ Rick Upnlive, and I'm in Jamaica, the Sunshine City, Prohgress, my place. You know, we have to stop and make the link for the real link and the real people. You know what I find in the streets just now? The one and only man, the big song right in the London city. We're doing crazy things in the dance and the entertainment space. We found the man himself.
If you don't get fight, it don't make sense. The more them fighters, some me get strength, some me get strength. We push through the obstacles, some man a push through the obstacles.
Prohgress, he's here.
Oh yes, sir. Yeah man, big up yourself. There I go and chill. Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. Boy, them fighters, some me get strength. Push through the obstacles, some man a push through the obstacle.
Have you been doing music long ago, or is it just a thing that you speak up recently?
I don't say long ago, because from me at 15, I record songs. So that's how much you're, that's how much.
So you want to tell people how old you are right now?
Yeah man, I'm 23, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20.
You go back to basics.
Eh? How that? 8, 9 years man.
Okay, that makes sense. So we're going to start off basically with this song that you found called Strength. That's a song that most people on my side know.
Yeah, man.
Talk us through in the making of that song.
That song is just me flashing back on things that I've been through in my life. The world struggles. Sometimes you know say you get fully bad out. You know when it comes to music already, music very risky.
Yeah.
So sometimes when you're starting out, you know got people that believe in you from the start.
Okay.
See something I go on first.
Yeah.
So it's like they might fight you and them way so. But strength come about now, just me it just feel sad, you know, when I build strength.
You see, and the pressures
Pressure bust pipe, you know.
Okay.
And it bust the pipe and some wonderful water spray out. That's what I say, because strength now, they're on a big producer in the music. And him have a rhythm a beat in the studio and the first line them a flow to my brain. Tears fall from me eyes when me think about some things that my really true.
Yeah.
And because I make him hear it and him not give me the vibes that like more record.
Okay, it's like insane, that
like
makes sense.
Yeah,
Slow you want.
that makes sense. So, go around a Picante studio and I make Picante hear the demo and I say, yo, that song you powerful, you know? I said, that song you, I'm going to bring your places, the song you, I'm going to bring your far. So, strength is just my real life story because that's how me do music, you know?
Yeah.
I don't imagine things. You see, if I get a rhythm and I have my life and I can't sing, but I just make it go and rest and do something else. Boy, them fighters, so me get strength. Push through the obstacles, some man a push through the obstacle.
Is it your first love as a profession, or you just started?
As a youth, as a younger youth, it's like me always idolize my father.
Okay.
I always want to please my father.
Yeah.
You know, my father, one of them strict type of person, loose man. I grew up with my mother and my father, but at age 11 they split. But anyway, my father was the person that I idolized, like when I said, no, I don't want to be like daddy.
Yeah.
So he's in the Duke already, in spare vehicle.
Or is that mechanic?
So that did the first thing when I said, yo, auto mechanic, the field, trader. Because it's like, that time is, you get in your parents and lead you.
Your leader, yeah.
You don't have your own.
You don't have your own. You don't think
for yourself.
Yeah.
So it's like, I said, daddy, I do that me feel do. And daddy, I carry a guy shop man.
So yeah, you're in the mix.
So, but what happened now, when them split, my mother and my father break up.
Yeah.
I have to move now. But to discover the Queen Island. To live with my mother's side of family, you know.
Yeah.
So that side of family now is more like street, in the street.
Okay.
You know, them are like what I say now. Growing with my mother and father, I'll be like a middle class.
Okay, I see what you mean.
But like when we go up to Queen Island now, it's more like get up.
Get the things
rougher.
Yeah. So when life changes.
Yeah, so my cousin and my brother love. Them have them little music thing when them set up in the yard. But then put out the box them. Not a big sound, so small boxes. But then I put out the box and
I
this one now I get that vibe.
You get the vibes of music. So music starts, you start to harness the music out crowd.
Yeah, man. We have some set of young artists who listen. I be artists who listen. And you just give me that vibe, you just love that vibe. When me a DJ, you just love what them give me a look at
you feel nice.
Yeah,
so from moving on from there now, from you established 11, 12.
We start.
Okay.
Around the music.
That's quite a long time, so that's more like over 10 years now.
Yeah, man, but 15 is where we take it, like we say, this one.
So the reaction you get from this song, people recognize your voice when you go on the microphone. What happened since that music, that record is been strength?
Things just, what you call it, everything that's escalated in a positive way.
You find we get more shows easier?
We get in shows, we get in rhythms. As I say, in the memory lane, no producers mention.
Yeah.
And they let you, that's not nice. Now the amount of rhythms that we get at the time, we confuse and know which one, you know?
Yeah.
So now we get all the rhythms, still we are the best, say, yo, can't vice the one, can't vice the one, that one. So we can pick and choose now and we have shows coming in, same place. And we have big people reaching out where we dream for us. I reach out to them.
I'm going to ask you this question because I ask the people that in UK most of this time where artists are there trying to make a breakthrough as yourself, and you find it struggling to make it from here to Jamaica. I want to find out from you on this side, was it very hard for you to make an initial come up from, because there's thousands of artists trying to make it.
Hard, man.
How hard did you find it? Or was
hard
it
same way because we don't really out there yet. We don't break the barrier yet and know say, oh, we're out there. Still a knock on the door. It's just that the person now come and look and listen and outside. You understand? We still not open the door and gone in yet. So it's still hard, it's very difficult because you know music population in Jamaica, we don't say it's overpopulated.
It is.
Everywhere you turn, somebody has said them an artist. And some of them people are determined. No matter if they don't sound good or what, you can't tell them say you're an artist. So it's very competitive.
Yeah, but that's good though. Competition is always
man,
good.
competition good because competition you know the best in there.
And it keeps you in the toes.
Yeah, man.
So anything you have planned coming up in the near future? Any shows, anything in production?
Some date is to be confirmed for Canada.
Are you flying out as well?
Yeah, Canada in July.
Yeah. Tell me you're coming to the UK because we need to see you in London City.
You know, yesterday we get a car in the UK.
Yes.
So that I look out to the UK. A lot of shows in August for Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right around the country. You know, so.
So Prohgress is on a Prohgress.
Yeah, man, everything I want now.
Success, the name we can tell it. Yeah, you know how long we have worked hard. Better days, the name we can smell it.
The name though. How this name? Why this name? As I'm sure your mother didn't give you this birth name, Prohgress.
You know, say, the name when we started off with was Redder Than.
Redder Than?
Yeah, but that was from like me and the little youth.
Yeah.
You know, say everybody get your alias when you're smart.
Everybody have an alias. We know that.
So mine I did Redder Than, I'm a red. You see me? So, and that we did move into the music field with it same way.
Yeah.
But me did know deep inside say, yo, the name is not serious.
You're not catching it.
When you hear it, it sound like a joke.
Yeah.
And nobody now going to take it serious with a name like Redder. So we did always in search of changing, of a name change. But we did use it until now. We buck up on a virgin now, Rasta. And he must say, yo, the name they not going to work. I say you see it to your first person and tell me that, you know, because I always tell people and they must say me Redder Than good.
Yeah.
But he must say to me, no man, if you have a name, like he must say, if you have a name like Caution or something where I hope not.
Catch it.
Something where as people hear it, they want to hear where you are or when you are coming.
Yeah.
And he must say, from listening to you still, all of you put all of your tracks, them you record, them always get better and better.
So it's...
So he must say, you know, say Prohgress that fitted with you.
Yeah.
So from this, I say, we like that name and we just go some Prohgress and just spell it with the H, P-R-O-H-G-R-E-S.
Yeah, because it took me a while when I first hear of you to find the music. Because I was spinning the Prohgress the other way around and I couldn't find it. Like,
yeah, man. You might have people that say too long. I better link from Austria.
Yeah.
Man, I search it, man, say, 2 years now. Can't find it.
Can't find it because
Yeah,
you spell
man.
the Prohgress different.
Yeah, man, spell it now, man.
Yeah, yeah. But Here we have it, people. Prohgress is on a progress, and he's definitely going to be progressing to bigger things in the year 2017 and beyond. So look out for him, he's coming your way. Thank you very much for making it the Upnlive show.
Fall for me guys, when me think about some things I've been through. All heap of trials and failures, but me never yet think for quit do. All heap of doubts, man, but enough did all I tell myself allow music. But me sorry for the dirty buck of them one never believe Father gotta fulfill the dream. Day by day me I get by, still I hold me head high. One thing me learn in life, in anything you do, if you don't get fight, it don't make sense. The more them fighters, so me get strength, so me get strength. We push through the obstacles, some man a push through the obstacles.